If you're passionate about games and eager to turn your skills into a freelance career, you're entering a thriving field where creativity, technology, and entertainment intersect. The world of freelance game development and testing offers opportunities for beginners and veterans alike. Whether your expertise is in designing immersive worlds, coding mechanics, or ensuring flawless gameplay experiences, let's take a closer look at the top platforms for finding freelance game work, and then walk through a step-by-step guide to help you launch and grow your career in this exciting industry. The digital landscape is rich with platforms that connect skilled freelancers to studios, indie developers, and clients seeking game-related services. Each platform has its own strengths and unique approach to matching talent with project needs. First on the list is Upwork, renowned for its broad reach and the sheer volume of game-related opportunities. Here, clients post jobs for everything from 2D and 3D art to Unity or Unreal development, VR prototyping, and quality assurance testing. You'll find both long-term collaborations and bite-sized projects, perfect for building relationships or expanding your portfolio. To get started, search for roles like Unity developer, game designer, or game QA tester. The diversity of listings makes Upwork a solid choice for both specialists and generalists. Fiverr takes a different approach, allowing you to create customized service offerings, or gigs, such as, I will develop a 2D Unity game, or I will test your mobile game. This gig-based model is especially friendly for newcomers, helping you attract clients with clear, niche offerings and competitive pricing. You can tailor your gigs to your strengths, whether that's rapid prototyping, bug finding, or level design. Clients come to you based on your gig descriptions and reviews, meaning strong communication and consistent delivery quickly translate to repeat business. Freelancer.com is another major hub, hosting a wide range of indie and mid-sized game development projects. Here, you can bid on jobs involving everything from core programming to asset creation and game testing. The keyword search feature lets you zero in on specific interests, such as game development, Unreal Engine, or game QA. This platform is well-suited for freelancers who enjoy competition and are ready to pitch themselves directly to clients. People Per Hour offers a curated environment for professionals, with numerous game development roles covering Unity, C++, Unreal, and Godot. If you're looking for projects that fit your specific skill set, this platform's detailed filtering and client rating system can help you find the right match. For experienced game developers, TopTal stands out for its rigorous screening process and high-profile clientele. TopTal connects you with companies seeking top-tier talent for complex projects. While the entry barrier is higher, the rewards include access to premium jobs and clients who value expertise and reliability. Itch.io is a favorite among indie game devs, offering a platform to upload your games, share your portfolio, and gain visibility within the broader game development community. It's not just a place to showcase finished titles. Many clients and collaborators browse itch.io to discover new talent and innovative ideas. Finally, Hitmarker specializes in game industry jobs, from freelance gigs to full-time roles and internships. If you're serious about building a career in games, whether as a developer, tester, or designer, Hitmarker aggregates opportunities from studios around the world, making it easier to find your next project. With a sense of the landscape, let's move into a practical, step-by-step approach to launching your freelance journey in game design, development, or testing. The first step is to choose your focus area. The world of game creation is vast, and narrowing your niche helps you stand out. Game design involves crafting the player experience, UI, UX flow, storyboarding, and level design. If you enjoy visualizing worlds and shaping how players interact with them, this path may be for you. Game development focuses on building those worlds using engines like Unity, Unreal, or Godot, and programming languages such as C++, C, or Python. This is ideal for those who love bringing ideas to life through code and technical problem-solving. Game testing, or quality assurance, is critical for ensuring that games are fun, functional, and bug-free. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy breaking things to make them better, consider specializing in QA testing, bug reporting, and performance analysis. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is building your skills and portfolio. There are countless resources available to help you level up. For development, platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera offer comprehensive courses on Unity and Unreal Engine, guiding you from the basics to advanced techniques. If you're interested in testing, services like Playtest Cloud and Test.io let you practice real-world QA scenarios. Designers can hone their craft using Figma for interface design, Photoshop for assets, or Blender for 3D modeling. Your portfolio is your calling card. Even a handful of small projects can make a big difference. Consider creating 1 to 3 mini-games, prototypes, or levels that showcase your abilities. Share your work on GitHub or itch.io, and record short gameplay videos to demonstrate your creations in action. The goal is to give potential clients a clear sense of what you can deliver, your design sensibility, coding chops, or testing rigor. With skills and a portfolio in place, it's time to create freelance profiles. On platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, your profile is often the first impression you make. Craft a clear and specific title, such as Unity Game Developer, 2D, 3D games, to help clients understand exactly what you offer. Write a strong bio highlighting your skills, the tools you use, and the platforms you work on, whether that's PC, mobile, VR, or web. Always include direct links to your portfolio, such as your GitHub repository, YouTube demos, or itch.io page. Now you're ready to start applying for jobs or creating gigs. On project-based platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, use targeted keywords in your searches, such as Unity mobile game, VR game tester, or indie game design. When responding to job postings, write custom proposals that show you've read the project description, understand the client's needs, and have relevant experience. If possible, offer a quick prototype or demo to demonstrate your ability to deliver results. On Fiverr, maximize your exposure by creating multiple gigs that showcase your range. For example, one gig might focus on level design, another on bug testing, and a third on rapid prototyping. Each gig should include a clear description, pricing, and examples from your portfolio. Promotion is key to building momentum. Share your work regularly on professional networks like LinkedIn and Twitter, as well as in communities like Reddit's Our Game Dev or Discord servers such as Game Dev League. Participating in game jams like Ludum Dare or Bracky's Jam not only hones your skills under pressure, but also gets your work in front of a passionate audience and potential clients. As you land your first projects, focus on delivering outstanding results and building your reputation. Early on, it can be helpful to accept lower competition gigs to accumulate positive reviews. Always deliver your work on time, provide thorough documentation or bug reports, and maintain a friendly, professional tone with clients. Success in freelance game development and testing comes down to a few key principles. Communicate clearly with clients at every stage, from project scoping to delivery. Stick to deadlines and keep clients updated on progress or any challenges you encounter. Stay curious and keep expanding your skills, whether that means learning Unity's latest DOTS system, exploring Unreal Engine 5 features, or mastering new testing frameworks. Don't be shy about asking satisfied clients for reviews. These testimonials are vital for building credibility and attracting more work. By combining technical expertise, a strong portfolio, and savvy use of freelance platforms, you can carve out a rewarding career in the world of game development and testing. Whether you dream of working with indie teams or major studios, the freelance route gives you the freedom to choose your projects, set your schedule, and grow alongside an industry defined by innovation and imagination.